How to sign up for a new account on Walmart. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on your Walmart app. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser or open the Walmart application if you have it. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Walmart application on web browser. So what you're going to have to do is simply search for Walmart here, go to walmart.com, and if you want to log into your account, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. And then from here, you can tap on the sign in option or create account. Once you get here, just enter your phone number. And if you have previously registered your account, then it would show you the option to log in. If not, it will be registered as a new account. Tap on continue. Now, since I haven't registered my account previously with this particular email, I'm going to have to create a new account. Now, enter your phone number and create your password. Once you have entered all of your details, tap on continue. And if you want to get emails about your new arrivals, you can check this box. I'm going to just leave it as it is and then tap on continue. And now they will send you a verification code on your email or your phone. Now, if you don't see it, then you're going to have to use your email for the verification code. And once you verify the code, you should be able to create your account once you tap on verify and create account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.